overall data landscape and overall environment inside the organization will become more dynamic. And by dynamic, I mean that if you look at the market and the adoption of the various software as a service tools that are these days being used in the organizations for the various business purposes. So we can talk about, various tools for marketing, sales, HR, finance, etc., etc. What I expect to happen is that companies will be using more of these tools, and their adoption will become more dynamic, meaning that there will be probably a shorter life cycle, meaning that each of the tool will be, very specific for the particular stage of the organization, for the particular type of the customer, and this could end up in a situation where the adoption of the various platforms across, for instance, marketing team could actually the life cycle of each of the platform actually become shorter. And of course, this will pose additional challenge for the data integration perspective, because let's say as the overall environment will become more and more dynamic, this will mean that when you put some data stack in place, when you put some data tools in place, you have to ensure that those tools can actually, or your overall data stack can actually adapt to this dynamic environment.